In this video, I'll show you how to install a working speedometer mod in GTA 5 to display real-time vehicle speed with these easy steps. Check my video description for these mods. Right click on the script hook key and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR and open this bin. Right click on the game and select open file location. Select this din put 8.dll and script hook v.dll drag and drop inside of a game folder. Once you're done, go back and open this menu SP. Select this menu.asi and menu stuff, drag and drop inside of a game folder. Once you're done, close stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, get in your car and press F8 two times to open up this menu. Using the down arrow and up arrow, choose options. Press enter to select option. Use backspace to get back and go to vehicle options and go to speedometers, speedo, set this to digital or you can set it to analog. I set to digital, that looks good. You can set this to metric for kilometer per hour. And now press the F8 key to close this menu and you can enjoy the game with speedometer, guys. That's how you can install this. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.